We've got a fun craft to do this time. This time we're doing some pipe cleaner flowers. We're going to use some beads, we're going to use some pipe cleaners, and we're going to have some fun. In your craft box, you're going to have some beads, you're going to have some pipe cleaners. We're going to start out with our green pipe cleaners. We're going to set our other ones off to the side. We're also going to get out 10 beads to make our first flower. We're going to start with our green ones for the stem. If you don't want to use green, you don't have to. You can mix your colors up, but I'm going to use green for the stems. We're going to start and we're going to take one bead. We're going to string it onto the bottom of this pipe cleaner. We're going to twist the pipe cleaner so that the bead gets stuck at the bottom. And we're just going to twist this around like that. So now the bead's stuck at the bottom. It won't come off. That's going to be your stop. Now we're going to take 9 more beads now. So 1, 1, all right. Now you have your stem for your flower. First circle, we're going to make just a little bit smaller. All right, so I'm making it a little smaller, and I'm going to pull it out to the side and make this one just a little smaller here too. About like that. I'm going to wrap it around again and push it towards the top. So now your stem's a little bit longer. So now we'll stick these back on there. Alright, so I have all 5 of them on there now. I'm going to take it, I'm going to circle it, I'm going to make it so that one bead is sticking towards the top here, and I'm going to take this other bottom piece that I have that's left over down here, and I'm going to wrap it around the bottom so that these 5 beads stick up for the middle of your flower, just like this. Okay. Now we're ready to make the flower part. Put this off to the side. I'm going to use yellow to go with my purple beads. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a big star with our 3 pipe cleaners here. You're going to stick one down, make an X, and then take your other one and put it over here. You're going to pick it up in that big star, and you're just going to wrap one around all the way so it kind of holds them together in your big star like that. I'm going to take this one, we're going to stick these right in the middle, and you're going to take one of your pipe cleaners and wrap it around that center like that, and then take the other side of that one and wrap it around. Now it'll kind of be stuck in the middle beads there. So now you have all the petals out here is what we're going to make. The petals are pretty easy. We're going to just take it right at the end. We're going to flip it under, and you're just going to roll it like a snail shell. Just roll it up. Now you got one of your petals. So go to the next one, do the same thing, and roll it up. Alright, there's your second one. You can make them a little tighter if you want to. You just kind of twist it in a little more. And we'll take the third one. Like that. I'm going to finish these out real quick. Alright, now you have your flower with your petals. You can kind of spread them out however you want. And look about like that. You have your stem and your leaves. So now you just repeat that with your other colors that you have. Repeat the stem, and then repeat the top again. You can also play around with it a little bit and wrap them around the middle beads and make it so you have different shaped flowers. Just have fun with it. Be creative. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.